Welcome back, students. This is your social study period. Last day we have completed 4 question answers of chapter The Early Men and Fire. Today we will do the question number 5 to question number 8. That means rest of the question answer today we will do. And after that we will complete the exercises also. Students, see the question answer chapter The Early Men and Fire. Question number 5. How were the animals useful to early men? Early men got milk from cows, buffaloes and goats. Dog protected the tame animals. Horses and donkeys help to travel and carry loads. I am repeating the question. Question number 5. How were the animals useful to early men? Answer. Early men got milk from cows, buffaloes and goats. Dogs protected the tame animals. Horses and donkeys help to travel and carry loads. Question number 6. How was fire useful to early men? Fire kept the early men warm and kept the wild animals away. Fire was also useful to keep the cave home bright during daytime. Early men also cooked food in fire. I am repeating the answer. Fire kept the early men warm and kept the wild animals away. Fire was also useful to keep the cave home bright during night time. Early men also cooked food in fire. Question number 7. Why was early man a wanderer for a long time? Answer. Early man did not know how to grow food, so he lived at one place till it provided him shelter and food. He moved to another place when he needed a new shelter and more food. Understand, student? Yes. Repeat it. Early man did not know how to grow food, so he lived at one place till it provided him shelter and food. He moved to another places when he needed a new shelter and more food. Question number 8. What were the important discoveries and inventions? Say, students, I have marked arrow and written here and inventions made by early men. Don't forget this to write. Answer. The important discoveries and inventions made by early men are discovery of fire, discovery of milk, invention of tools, boots, bone needles and clay pots. Student, again read it again. What were the important discoveries and inventions made by early men? The important discoveries and invention made by early men, here should be men. Early men are discovery of fire, discovery of milk, inventions of tools, boats, bone needles and clay pots. Student, now see the exercises. Fill in the blanks. 1. To get milk, early men started keeping cows, dash, that dash, dash and dash. There you will fill cows, buffaloes and goats. Question number 2. Early men realized that roasted meat was dash tastier. Question number 3. Early men made boots to protect his feet as he walked on dash. Walked on what? Terrains. Terrains means rough places. 4. The early men became an dash and enjoyed drawing. Who draws? Yes, artist. So you will write here artist. Number 5. Early men ate all types of foods like dash, dash and dash. Meat, then milk and fruits. 6. Early men used dash and dash to shoot down birds, bows and arrows. Now come on to match the following. Read column 1, then column 2. 1. Bone needles. 2. Clothes. 3. Carving. 4. Dogs. 5. Boots. 6. Fishing nets. 7. Fire. Now see column number B. A. Cave walls. Yes, cave walls will match with what? Carving. Early men, where they carve? On the cave walls. So match it. But don't draw any lines. Number matching. Number matching only. Stitching. Bone needles. They use bone needles to stitch the hides of the animals, or you say leather of the animals as a cloth. Rough terrain. Rough terrain, find out from here. Yes, they use boot to travel on rough terrain. Great discovery. Great discovery. What is the great discovery here? Yes, it will be fire. So you write here 7. Fire. Next is animal skin. Animal skin is used as a cloth. So animal skin, clothes. 2. Protect animals. Protect animals means tame animals, that is dogs. 4. Veins. Veins are used where? To make fishing nets. So you write here 6. Next, one word. Give one word for each. That means each statement you have to give one word. In the special case, you can write 2 words also. 1. Second home of early men. Cave. First home was, yes, it was tree. And the second home of early men was cave. Number 2. First permanent house, hut, made by them. Number 3. A use of fire, roasting meat. 4. A use of baked pot. Yes, storing food, or you can write carrying water also. Anyone you can write. The chapter is completed now. So you will revise the question answers, exercises just now I have discussed with you. So students, learn and memorize it, and you must write in your classwork copy. Okay, that's for today only. Thank you.